Uh, Vadim has a square piece of paper divided into 9 cells, and he has folded it as shown, overlapping horizontally and then vertically so that the gray square ends on the top. And the gray square is 1. So if you look at what they have done here, you can figure out that they're reaching a snake pattern. It's kind of like goes here and then goes here, and that is what your folded paper would be. If it's hard for you to visualize, you can get a square piece of paper and do the same, and figure out the pattern as well. Vadim wants to write numbers 1 to 9 into the cell. Once the paper is folded, the numbers would be increasing in increasing order with number 1 on the top layer. So that means it'll just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A will be 6. Can't be this, can't be this, can't be this. B would be 4. And C would be 8. So it's option A.